Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a 3D topography and building using topoexport. Go to your browser, then search topoexport.com. You will get it right here. Press on it, then login, and it will appear like this. Here in the right, we have 2D vector maps, buildings, and more of things, and 3D modeling. I wanted DXF. I will search of my place. Let's choose this location. Then let's make a preview. And it will look like this. I have already downloaded. Then go to your download. You will get it like zip file. After that, open the topoexport 3D modeling. Let's open it on Autocad. It will look like this. We have more than one layers over here. After opening the DXF, let's make Ctrl S and save it in the same file as DWG. After that, go to your Revit, then go to Revit 2026. Let's make a new and models. Let's make the template metric architecture. After that, use UN and change the unit, the length. Let's make it meter. And the rounding, let's make it to decimal. Then press OK. Then OK. Go to architectural, then floor plan, site plan. Let's make the site plan. I want this crop view and crop region is visible. I will turn off all of them. Then go to insert. After that, go to import CAD. Then select your AutoCAD. Then let's make the import unit is meter, and the position, let's make it the same. Then press open. After insert the AutoCAD file, go to 3D. After that, go to massing and site. Let's make the top of solid. Create from import, then create from CAD. Then select the AutoCAD file. After that, check none and select the contour line. Then press OK. It will look like this. The first one. And let's make the second one. Topo solid. Create it from import. CAD from create from CAD. Select the AutoCAD file. Check none. And let's make the roads contours. Then press OK. And it will look like this. After that, select the AutoCAD file. Then delete layers. Then check none. I want the contour lines. This is the first one. I want to delete it. And this one, the same. Roads contours. The green space hatches. Also, I want to delete this one. And the terrain mesh. And the contour line text. Let's make this one not deleted. Then press OK. And it looks like this. I want to delete some layers also. Let's make it shadow, shade it, Here it is. Let's make the roads. Edit type, duplicate it. Yes, okay. Then edit structure. And let's make the finish. Let's make it a different material. Let's search asphalt. Create this one. Okay, then okay, then okay. You can edit it like whatever you want on Revit.